Guys and girls, good morning. I hope you stay safe and healthy by the grace of God. As you know, speaking is a fun. Today, our topic is the use of imperatives in spoken English. Guys and girls, imperatives are used to give orders and to make requests. Let us make a practice with generally spoken imperatives as you can see here on whiteboard. First one is bring it, bring it, bring it, bring it. इसे ले आओ. Bring it, bring it. इसे ले आओ. Take it, take it, take it. इसे ले लो. Take it, इसे ले लो. Come up, come up, come up. ऊपर आ जाओ. Come up, come up. ऊपर आ जाओ. Pull it up, 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 pull it up. इसे ऊपर खींचो. Put it down, put it down, put it down, put it down. इसे नीचे रख दो. Run the fan, run the fan, run the fan. पंखे को चला दो. Run the fan, पंखे को चला दो. Open the window, open the window, open the window. खिड़की को खोल दो. Shut the gate, shut the gate, shut the gate, shut the gate. Gate बंद कर दो. And next one is be sincere to others, be sincere to others, be sincere to others, be sincere to others. दूसरों से मुखलिसाना बर्ताव करो. Be sincere to others, be sincere to others. दूसरों से मुखलिसाना बर्ताव करो. Stand up, stand up, stand up. खड़े हो जाओ. Take exercise daily, take exercise daily, take exercise daily. रोजाना वर्जिश करो. Hold the glass, hold the glass, hold the glass. Glass को थाम लो. Don't be lazy, don't be lazy, don't be lazy. काहिल मत बनो. Sit on the chair, sit on the chair, sit on the chair. कुर्सी पर बैठ जाओ. Come out, come out, come out please, come out please. मेहरबानी करके बाहर आ जाओ. Come out please, मेहरबानी करके बाहर आ जाओ. Face the music, face the music. हालात का सामना करो. Face the music, face the music, face the music. हालात का सामना करो. Get in, get in, get in please, get in please, get in please. मेहरबानी करके अंदर चले आओ. Get in please, get in please. मेहरबानी करके अंदर चले आओ. Guys and girls, let's pronounce these imperatives once again to make a good practice. Bring it. From the first one is bring it, bring it, bring it. इसे ले आओ. Take it, take it, take it, take it. इसे ले लो. Come up, come up, come up. ऊपर आ जाओ. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. इसे ऊपर खींचो. Put it down, put it down, put it down, put it down. इसे नीचे रख दो. Run the fan, run the fan, run the fan, run the fan. पंखे को चला दो. Open the window, open the window, open the window. खिड़की खोल दो. Shut the gate, shut the gate, shut the gate, shut the gate. Gate बंद कर दो. Stand up, stand up, stand up. खड़े हो जाओ. Stand up, खड़े हो जाओ. Be sincere to others, be sincere to others, be sincere to others, be sincere to others, be sincere to others. दूसरों से मुखलिसाना बर्ताव करो. Take exercise daily, take exercise daily, take exercise daily. रोजाना वर्जिश करो. Hold the glass, hold the glass, hold the glass, hold the glass, hold the glass. Glass को थाम लो. Don't be lazy, don't be lazy. काहिल मत बनो. Face the music, face the music, face the music. हालात का सामना करो. Come out please, come out please. बाहर आ जाओ. Get in, get in, get in please. मेहरबानी करके अंदर चले आओ. Sit on the chair, sit on the chair, sit on the chair. कुर्सी पर बैठ जाओ. Right guys, you have to make a lot of practice with these imperatives. So doing this practice and pronouncing these clearly, you may be able to speak a good English. I wish you all the best. God bless you. See you next. Thank you. Goodbye.